Hi guys, good morning and happy Friday. Even though it won't be Friday when I post this, it'll probably be Sunday. So happy Sunday. Halloween is in less than a week. So in college we go out 3 nights, Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night, and we need a different costume for every night. So me and my roommates planned out like 2 weeks ago what we're gonna be. And today I'm just gonna be making those costumes and kind of like DIYing. So we decided Thursday we're gonna be Hershey Kisses. So I got this like gray silver like tight dress to wear, and then we're gonna put like glitter all over ourselves and then put like a ribbon. I'll have my hair like probably in a ponytail like this with like a ribbon that says Hershey Kisses all around it to look like a little Hershey kiss. So I figured that was like cute, unique, you know the deal. And then I don't know what one we're gonna do on Saturday or Friday, but we have 2 more costumes. So all of my roommates are being their favorite drink, and I don't really drink, so therefore, wait for it, I'm being a water bottle. So I have this tube top. I need to cut these off. This tube top will go like that, and then I have this skirt to match, will go like that, and I'm going to decorate this part of the outfit, and I don't know what water bottle brand I want to do. I'm thinking either Poland Springs or Aquafina. I might do Aquafina just because it's easier. Poland Springs has like trees and stuff, but I still haven't decided. I'm kind of going to decide once I get to it. So yeah, I have that. I thought that was like funny. Everyone like knows that when I go out I really only drink water. That's that one. And the next one, we just have fabric, cheetah print fabric, and we're being cave girls. So I have to, there's like a ton of fabric here, so I need to try to make a skirt and a top. I don't really know like how I want the fitting wise to go on it, but I'm gonna do the best I can. I'm not very crafty, so this should be interesting. And then we have that, and then we have, I don't even know where they are. I think they're in another room. We have little bones that are gonna go in our hair. We're gonna wear it probably up and then put the bone there to look like a little cave girl. So yeah, those are the 3 costume ideas that we have. So I'm just gonna be making them in this video and show you guys how I do that and show you the final results. So make sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, link is always in the description. I'm gonna be posting like pictures in these probably next weekend when Halloween weekend comes around, so you guys can check those out. I wanted to make this video before Halloween, so I'm kind of like rushing to do it because I wanted you guys to like have ideas and kind of like think of creative things to do with your costumes, and you don't always have to like go out and buy an already made costume. You can easily just put together what you have already and add to it or decorate it or do whatever. So here we go. I'm gonna start off with the cave girl costume just because it's gonna be probably the hardest, and I kind of just want to get it over with. I just realized this is a lot of fabric. Look how big it is. Like, wow, I don't even know where to start. Okay, I'm gonna start with the top. I don't know what like style I want to go for. Okay guys, this is crooked. I made the top. Yeah, I don't know, it doesn't have to be perfect. I feel like it could be like messy looking. I'm obviously wouldn't wear this shirt underneath. So that could be my top. Obviously this wouldn't be here, so like I would wear like high-waisted, or I'd make my pants high-waisted and wear like, I just tied it in the back like that and like a little bow. So alright, that's that. Now like I do not have a clue how to make these bottoms, so I'm gonna try to look up like how to cut fabric into a skirt. I don't know. Is this cute top? really tight. I do not know how to make the pants. Like, where? Man, I don't know how to do this. Oh, look at me! Look at how long this is. What if I just wore this?
This is fancy.
What is?
Just everything that's happening.
Did you see my shirt over the white?
Yeah, why are you doing that?
Because I'm filming. And it was too bright.
Oh.
So, do you want to say hi? Did you make yours yet?
Hi everyone. No, I did not.
When are you doing it?
I don't know when Kim does it
zip
for me.
up one.
I'm dressed down to your ankles.
This top, I feel like it's gonna like
I like that.
fall off.
I don't know if I want to make.
It's kind of like dysfunctional, but okay. Grace.
Black champion sweatshirt is that, and where is it? Because I'm wearing it to practice.
What?
Do you want to say hi to Savannah's vlog?
Who's
Grace, say hi. Say hi.
whose black champion sweatshirt was that? Do you know? Should I wear it to practice? I kind of want to. Where is it?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Hanging.
You are. I'm making my costumes. I'm attempting. Do you like my shirt?
Yeah, are you being cheated?
I'm not wearing this underneath.
No, you're being a cute.
We're being cave girls.
Cute.
So,
Yeah. This is what I got going.
oh yeah, break it down.
Okay.
Oh no.
What? What? No, what?
That's really short.
No, it's. Oh wait.
Yeah.
Oh, because I was leaning. Oh God, can you cut it?
Yeah. Is that exactly how you want it to be?
Yeah.
You're gonna wear this under it.
Like, yeah.
So I guess it doesn't.
Well, right? Just cut it.
Like. Okay.
Alright, this is the final look of the cave girl costume. So the top I already showed you, just straight across a bandeau, and then I like, okay, it's like messed up back here. Just straight across bandeau, and then I did a little tie thing in the back. And then skirt, I used a black skirt that I previously had, but I've literally never worn it. I've worn it like once maybe. And I just tied the fabric around it and tied it right here at my waist. So I do have like a little bit of my skirt showing, just because the fabric, like, I don't know, wouldn't work that way. But then I stapled the bottom of the fabric to the skirt to have it stay. Alright, it's like a little messed up. I don't know really what I'm gonna do, but it's good for now. And then I just put Nike Air Force 1s, and I think I'm gonna put my hair like half up, half down, so I can put the bone in my like ponytail that's half up, so it'll be cute. And then I'll probably like put some like dirt splatches on me and kind of look like messy, dirty, I don't know. So yeah, this is costume number uno. Okay, and now moving on to the Hershey Kisses costume. I'm not doing anything to the dress, but we're making like ribbon, putting it in her hair and writing Hershey Kisses on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that and write it in pencil, and then I'm gonna color it in with this blue Sharpie. I'm realizing this is going to take a lot longer than I thought to make this ribbon because I don't want to mess it up. So I'm going to like turn the camera off because that's kind of boring to watch. And then I'll show you guys the ribbon once I'm done. Just finished the ribbon that's going to go in my hair. Looks like this. I had to do two because I was going to do one double-sided, but you can see right through it. So I did two. And now I'm going to put fabric glue on it that my roommate has in like 10 minutes. I'm just going to wait for this to dry because I don't want to like mess it up or anything. But this is just gonna go, I probably wear my hair half up, half down again, but it's just gonna wrap around the ponytail and like sort of look something like that. I don't know. But I'll try on the dress so you guys can kind of like see the whole idea. Okay, so this is the dress. It's super tight, kind of doesn't fit, but like we're gonna work with it. And then I just have this jacket I'll probably wear over it because it's obviously cold out. And it's just like a gray cropped puffer jacket. Both of these are from Pretty Little Thing. And then the ribbon, this is just what it looks like with the dress, and it will be in my hair, tied nicely. And then I also just put on again my Air Force Ones to go with it. This is it without the jacket. Obviously you can see it's like very, very small, so I feel like the jacket just kind of like makes it look a little better. Okay guys, now it's time for the final costume, the water bottle, and honestly my favorite one, just because I don't know, I think it's funny and it's just so me. If you know me, you know I love water. So I think I decided to do Poland Springs instead of Aquafina, just because I feel like Poland Springs is more of like a well-known brand and everyone knows Poland Springs. Some people might not know Aquafina, and I feel like it'll look a lot better. Aquafina is just, if you don't know, their logo is kind of just like, the label is just blue and then it says Aquafina in white, and Poland Springs is like, I think there's like a river and there's like green trees and then it says Poland Springs. So I'm just gonna try to trace that out on the top the best I can, like all the way around. So the back will probably be all trees and then the front will be trees, and then right here it says like Poland Springs, something along the lines of that. This is probably gonna take me a while. This is kind of like what I'm going for. As you can see, like the river, the trees, the label, whatever logo, and then all the way around, like this is gonna be the front, and then all the way around I'm just gonna do trees around like the back side of my shirt. Okay, I've given up. Oh. What I was saying was, oh my god, there's paint all over me. But I've given up on trying to trace it out with pencil because it just won't write on the fabric, the pencil, so it's just not really gonna work out. Okay, so I'm just going in straight with paint, so hopefully I don't mess this up. Okay guys, I just finished the top of the water bottle and I only did the front. I'm gonna wait till like tomorrow to do the back, but here it is. Woo! Look at how amazing that is. I'm so proud of myself. Like that looks like a Poland Springs water bottle label. So I'm just doing that is for the front, and the back I'm just gonna do trees, like wrapping all around it, because that's how like the normal label usually is. So yeah, that's the top. I'm gonna try it on with the set right now to show you guys. Okay, this is what it looks like on with the little skirts. I literally just got paint on myself from putting it on. But yeah, I loved how this turned out. And then there's just gonna be trees like wrapping all the way around. So yes, this is outfit number 3 for Halloween. Poland Springs a water bottle, and I don't really know what shoes. I don't really know what shoes I'm gonna wear, but I'll figure it out when I get there. Alright guys, finally all done, finished, cleaned up, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my 3 Halloween costumes, enjoyed watching me make them and kind of like DIY my Halloween costumes. They were super easy and quick and cute, and yeah, hopefully this gave you guys some ideas since Halloween is in like a week now. And yeah, if you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.